Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform, especially for options. I think now this Coinbase issue is going on, and because of that the cryptos are falling. I could not come out with a pre-market report today because I went for a housewarming ceremony for my new apartment, which is a penthouse in a prestigious project in Chennai. I thought I would be able to finish my work. I can do pre-market report, but I could not. So apologies for that. And what a disappointing trading day today. Yesterday the markets fell, and from intraday high it fell more than 150 points. Then there was some slight recovery, closed slightly higher from the lowest point. And then yesterday US markets were higher. Most of the Asian markets were higher. And I thought today market, I think it was gap up of about 40-50 points in the morning. I thought that gap up will sustain, at least we will close at least positive. And that was one thing. Second thing, yesterday Kotak Bank fell nearly 4%, and nobody knows why it is happening. But then we came to know the news in the evening that Canadian Pension Fund planning to sell 6,000 crores worth of Kotak Bank shares today. And I don't know how other people come to know, so they preempt and they sold it yesterday itself. We thought since Canadian Pension Fund is planning to sell at up to 5% discount, so I thought Kotak Bank will fall, the Bank Nifty will underperform, especially the private sector banks, and I thought the Nifty will be positive. But what happened here is exactly the opposite. At the end of the day, private sector bank index is the only index that closed in green. The rest all indices, even the PSU banks came under severe selling pressure today. And then IT index, after falling yesterday, today again it fell some more. So IT index fell, auto index fell, FMCG fell, and Hindustan Unilever fell yesterday also and today also. So it was a broad-based selling except the private sector banks, which was the opposite view we had taken in the morning. Of course, I did not come out with a pre-market report, but that was my view in the morning. Now, the question. From yesterday high to today's low, Nifty fell more than 200 points. If you just look at last few weeks, the same thing has happened last month. The last month, Nifty was trading between 18,000 and 18,500, but within that 500 point, there was a huge volatility. I think there are 2 or 3 times, Nifty shot up 200 points in 2 days, and then Nifty fell 200 points in 2 days. And sometimes, in 2 days it fell to 200 points, and the next 2 days it shot up 200 points. So it was very, very volatile, and that is why I said this month also Nifty is likely to trade with a huge volatility between 18,500 and 19,000 for weekly. However, monthly, looking at the open interest, 18,000 put option has the highest open interest and 19,000 call has the highest open interest. And the people who sold both, today they have got a very good return of more than 1% just in one trading session. And today, that volatility, a fall of more than 200 points in 2 days. Now, the big question comes, is it just like last month, 200 point fall, after that it's going to recover? Or is it like last December? In 2.5 months, Nifty shot up nearly 2,000 points and then corrected severely. Now, there are 2 possibilities. Either market will stabilize and it should recover very fast, or if it is a December pattern, then the fall may be more drastic. But I am hoping that the first thing will happen. Why? Because, in the month of January we fell because, we had lot other issues. FIIs were continuously selling, then the Hindenburg report came. So they had all kinds of commotions. But right now, I'm not expecting anything big. Even the global markets also doing well. I still believe that 18,500 to 19,000, which I forecasted for this week is over. For monthly, it is 18,000 to 19,000. So that range should hold. And to be optimistic, 18,500 has to hold. So if 18,500 is broken, then it is time to give away the optimistic view. But still 18,000 to 19,000 is the range intact. So looking at the open interest in weekly options, people have sold aggressively 18,600 call, 18,700 call. That's how, these option sellers get into trouble. If 2 days fall, they sell aggressively. The next 2 days, if it shoots up, they all will be in loss. And that's how it happened last month, but we don't know whether this time, whether it's going to happen or not, that we don't know. So we will get to know maybe in another 1 or 2 days. So out of 5 weeks in June series, 2 weeks completed. So we have 3 more weeks. Of course, the time value will help option sellers. And anyway, the more analysis, we will do it on Sunday. So right now, I'm just a bit too tired because for my housewarming ceremony, I had to wake up early morning 3 a.m. So usually housewarming ceremonies are done early morning. So I need to rest. So that's why I'm shooting this video before 5 p.m. So FII DI data is not out. But by looking at the price action, there was no sudden fall, anything like that. So I think institutional, just like yesterday net institutional was negative just by 200 crore. So I don't think that today also there will be any significant selling from institutional side. So this is just market is falling under its own weight because the market has shot up nearly 2,000 point in last 2.5 months. So people are booking some profits. So anyway, we will get more data and more analysis on Sunday. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.